Holy f***ing shit. You're the f***ing goat, man. You're the f***ing goat. Oh my God. Yo, my neck up.
Whoa. What in the... Dun dun dun.
Holy... Whoa. That was deep as f***. Has anyone ever bit you?
Right here.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is Dr. Donovan, and we got Kim K here.
What's up?
And she's an intuitive body worker.
Yes, magic hands and stretch therapist.
She knows how to do everything. But we are getting her cracked out today.
I flew from New York just to see him, by the way.
What an honor. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm. I'm ready.
Let's get into it.
Let's go.
All right. All right.
Ow.
What's in here? Ow, ow. Okay, let's see. We're gonna open you up.
Okay.
Straighten out this arm. Push up as hard as you can. Oh, we need to jump start your nervous system. Okay, relax this arm. Relax it. It has a mind of its own. Okay, you're gonna reach over here. Do the shoulder lean. All right. Take a deep breath. Get out.
Oh my God. It cracked before you even pushed down. Oh my God.
She knew that.
Oh my God.
Okay, we're gonna do.
Wow.
Feeling good?
Yeah, something just unlocked.
Lock the gate.
Holy shit. I'm sorry, I'm cussing.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Deep breath. Wow.
Wow.
Is that a lean on you?
What the fuck? I know. I needed you. Holy fuck.
Okay.
Shit.
Doing good.
I'm gonna eat more meat. Well, me in general. Oh my God. Oh my God.
There you go.
Bro, that was the whole thing.
You need.
I'm gonna be doing this to you later.
Perfect. I feel like I haven't done it.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's just the initial, like,
Yeah.
entrance.
The entrance.
Yeah.
Breathe. It's probably because you've been healing so many people.
Yeah. I just taught a workshop.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I wasn't holding space for like 45 students.
Oh, my
And
gosh.
I've been seeing clients like 2 to 3 a day and like 2 hours each, so.
Oh, my goodness.
Motherfucker.
Good
I'm
thing
sorry.
you're
I'm
strong.
sorry.
Breathe.
Do
Gotta let
people
this
laugh?
out.
Do people laugh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the Joker.
Okay. Oh, God.
You're doing good.
It's not painful, guys. I'm just ticklish.
Keep breathing. One big breath. There you go. Okay, let's see.
Okay, that was nice.
She needs this.
Holy fuck. Okay, I'm just gonna hold.
This has been tight for a while.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna just hold you.
And then she passes out. It's passing out in shock. I'm just kidding.
Oh.
One big breath right here. There you go.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Lord have mercy.
okay, we got to give you, I think the mic will catch your hug right here.
Okay.
I'll just put the mics everywhere.
Okay, put it everywhere.
All right, here we go. Right there. Deep breath. Get out.
Oh my God. That was deep. Holy shit. Oh my God. Bro, did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was like inside.
Oh my God.
I was inside the inside. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna have you go face down.
I already have one.
Okay, we're gonna just right here. There you
Wow. Yo, before you even adjust, like just getting me into it, I'm already adjusting.
Makes it easier for me. Okay. So lay on your other side. This is the main side.
Yeah.
We'll see when you're ready.
No.
Okay, this is the bone. Right here.
Oh my God. Bro. Thank you so much. Holy.
Oh my God.
Holy. I'm trying not to cuss here.
Holy moly.
Wow. Oh my God. Wow. This is. Wow, it was fucked up.
Yeah,
It was fucked up. Yeah. I guess I didn't realize how fucked up it was until you fixed it. Shit. Okay.
Okay, now your jaw.
What? Okay.
Guess we'll put
What?
a different view.
Okay.
All right. She has jaw stuff.
A little nervous.
All right, we're going in.
Okay.
We're going
Gently. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Cup in your mouth. This is tight. Let me know if I'm torturing you. You're like, I can't.
Sometimes my mouth wants to bite you. I don't know why. Has anyone ever bit you?
Yeah, someone was biting my finger. I'm like, you know you're eating my finger off, right?
I was like, don't bite him. Just don't. I'm like fighting my body.
You're doing good.
Okay.
So I'm gonna cross up this way.
Okay.
So
We're gonna
open
go
up.
again. Okay.
It's a different spot. It's like right
Okay.
there.
Oh.
There you go.
Wow.
Your jaw should get lighter over time.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go like this. Oh my goodness. What's in there? I feel like I'm catching a fish.
We have to keep this PG.
Hey, this is pretty PG.
You just fish hooked me.
Jaw goes all the way up here.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, pretty good head.
Okay.
That
Thank
just
you.
sounds so wrong.
This was a video. Definitely not PG-13.
Okay. Now I have to look through the video. Let me just in case it's really hard. Like editing this other video is like taking me like over an hour. Like it shouldn't take that long.
It takes me like 2 hours to edit.
Yeah.
I'm like,
sometimes you have to, and it's because I used to take that long to edit videos, and then it gets faster. But
it gets faster. My brain be hurting. Like my third eye hurts when I'm like editing. I don't know about you,
Yeah.
but this starts to hurt. I'm like, why?
well, if you do like a format that you think you like the best, you just keep trying. You just use your brain and you try to make it look exactly like the last video, but different people or something. Yeah, that's why
yours is very consistent.
That's what I do. Like I put it in the exact same order, because if I put it in a different order, it doesn't do as good. You discover like what order it's supposed to go in.
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Close it. Open it. Close it. Open it. Close it. And then open your mouth right here.
Ah.
Let's see.
Just not you.
Open your mouth. Close it. Open it. There you go.
Jesus. Sorry.
Your jaw is just tense. It's not like totally misaligned. That's good.
Okay, good.
Mine used to go backwards.
Really?
Yeah, I had it like knocked the wrong direction. I had to go on YouTube, how to fix this, but it didn't exist.
Oh my God.
So I had to like punch it back in place.
What? By yourself?
Yeah, because it was literally stuck. I didn't know how to fix it at the time.
Oh my God.
But I got it worked out so many times it's back to normal, basically.
That like felt good when you're doing that thingy. Like it's like uncomfortable, but like feels good.
Yeah.
That
This
thingy.
helps.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Like it's painful, but good pain.
All right. Let's see. Right there.
The bling is okay?
Yeah, looks good.
Okay.
Dun dun dun.
Holy, whoa, what, whoa, hold up. Yo,
That was deep.
Jesus, bro, that's like, oh, I need a moment. That was everywhere, and like in my shoulder, in my rhomboid. Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa. That was deep as fuck.
Yeah,
Okay.
you needed
Ooh,
that.
holy shit.
Let me see.
I think I could see better.
Oh yeah.
The lights got brighter.
Like, oh my God, these lights do hurt your eyes. Okay, we got this. We gotta give you the lift.
Wow, bro. That was insane. My head feels like I guess it used to weigh something, and now I don't feel that it weighs like anything.
I'm glad.
What the hell is that? Okay, this is amazing.
All right, so. Whoa. What in the. Okay, so you ready for this next one?
I think.
Okay, so scoot forward. All right, she's ready. Okay. Whoa, right here. Turn your head this way. All right, she's ready for some action. Okay. Do. And shoulder down right here. Okay, drop your head like a little bit right here. I got you. It's okay. Right there.
Holy fucking shit. Wow. Oh my God, bro.
That was deep.
Bro. You're the fucking goat, man. You're the fucking goat. Did you hear that?
It was so loud.
Jesus. I was mic'd, right? Okay, because that shit was, whoa. Wow.
Oh my gosh, you needed that.
Oh my God. Yo, my neck was fucked up.
Yeah.
Yo.
Been healing so many people.
I know. It's like I'm carrying my clients.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to.
Wow. I'm sorry. I'm still in shock. I can't. I'm like. Okay.
Okay.
Holy shit. Okay.
So let's have you lay on your back.
Okay. Wow.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh God. Oh my God. Yo. I love you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Holy fuck. That was my whole spine right there. I got a new neck, guys. I have a new neck.
I'm glad it was really tight earlier.
Oh my God. I feel like elongated. Like, I think I'm 5'3" now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do look taller.
That was really good. That was so good, bro. The goat. I can't wait to see you in March.
Okay, so we're gonna do. So everything feels so good so far?
Amazing.
It's high right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna have you sit in this other laser that you never tried yet, and then you're just gonna meditate for like a few minutes under it.
I feel like I'm meditating right now. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so let's have you come on up.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. With them on?
Yeah, put your glasses on. Okay, so she's going to get her brain lasered. Here we go. And promotes neurons, reduce inflammation, helps you relax out of fight or flight. Okay, so just relax.